James Torres here for machine problem 2. I'm gonna explain the code I did for a couple of hours of researching, trying to figure out how to use an int array instead of char array. So here I initiated my 2D array from 1 to 35, and here is to print and show that array. To print, this is the loop I use to print out the array so that the user can see the seat arrangement, and after that they will be prompted by and I made a variable here called seats so that they can input the seat number they want. So they'll be prompted by this question right here. Enter desired seat to reserve, and then this is the main code block of our loop, a while loop, and then this will run so far endlessly, since while this would always be true. And here we'll have the seats, the integer, the variable I made, seats, and it will accept numbers greater than 1 to less than 36, which is 1 to 35. Greater than 0, which is 1 to less than 36, which is 35. And it will be stored here, instant row and column variables. And this is the formula to validate seats minus 1 divided by 7, and here it's a modulo operator, and it will update and it will say that seat is successfully reserved, and then another for loop to print the 2D array once again, and it would allow the user to pick another seat, or if they want to use the app more, and then it's the same thing that it will loop back to, which will go back to this while loop where we can have the input, the user input here. And then this is an if statement for our input validation. If they enter something less than 1 or more than 35, it should tell them, it should print out, if they enter more than 35, it should print out this code line here, or if they put in less than 1, which is a negative number probably, or a 0. And then we'll go back to printing because this if statement would break this if loop here, so I have to print it again with another for loop so that it will come out again, and the user can go back and choose again. When they see this printed out, they can choose again here to input the seat number. Now, so what's missing? What can I do? Yeah, I think that's it for now. Let's see if our code is run properly. So I have to compile. Okay, so here we can see our printed 2D array, and we are prompted to enter our desired seed. So I would choose 2. Let's say 2. So if it's successfully reserved, it will change to 0. And if we're prompted again, same thing. Let's put an invalid number. Let's say 39, which is an invalid number. It's more than 35. It would say invalid number picked from 1 to 35. And then the last for loop would kick in again to allow us to choose. And this user input right here is the condition in the while loop, the very beginning, to put us back in the while loop again. So we can choose. Oh wait, it's missing enter desired seed to reserve. Okay, I'll fix it. So I want to put that seed. It's I guess I would put that just outside here. So you type enter desired sort here. I'll just copy this. Same thing. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, so I want to put an invalid number. Let's say 38. Okay, enter desired seed to reserve. Okay, now it's fixed. 32. Okay, 32 is successfully reserved. So that's it for our machine problem 2. Thank you so much.